Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the wind-up toy from the 1960s, the wind-up tiger, and I believe this toy was made for Esso gasoline. It was like a promotional toy. So this toy was made in Japan by Marx, as you could see there. Hopefully you could see it. I'll make a close-up of it. And this toy has no damage whatsoever. Some minimum play wear. All the fur is intact. Feet are in excellent shape. Minor scuffs. The head turns like it should. And let's give it a wind up and I'll demonstrate its mechanicalisms. It walks perfectly. The cardboard's a little floppy, so he's losing his balance there. But he works perfectly. And that clicking sound is resembling his growling. And that concludes my video. Have a great day.